Alright, so I'm going to be doing a iodine diffusion experiment, and our ingredients are cornstarch, iodine, and water. And then we got a bag here for the starch, and this for the water, and then this is just for the cornstarch. I tried this experiment before, but the bag I used was freezer tight, so it wouldn't let the starch and the iodine do what they're supposed to do, so I'm going to be using this bag that's a thinner type of plastic, so hopefully that works better as a permeable membrane. I'm going to put the water and the iodine in the beaker and the cornstarch in the bag, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the cornstarch in the bag and the water in the beaker, and then we're going to put the iodine in. We need 10 drops of it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, just gonna swirl that around a little bit. And now we're going to put this bag in here and set a timer for 15 minutes. Here's our timer. Alright, so the timer is done. And just like the last time I tried this, nothing happened. For some reason, the plastic bags that I use just don't work like this, and I don't know why that is. It's just not doing anything. Maybe this is the wrong type of iodine or something. I don't know. Right, well, since that didn't do anything, I'm going to try to add a bit more starch and then add a few more drops of iodine to it. So they'll dissolve. And then the bottle of iodine. Oh, there we go, it's going purple. Well, at least that's kind of neat. Well, that didn't happen exactly the way I wanted, but I mean, it did work at some point. Oh well. I mean, that's still pretty cool. I like the color. It's kind of like purple in the middle, and then like white-ish around the edges, maybe a little bit orange. I don't know.